I'm feeling myself, like the girls in the videos.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something's never fake to me now.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be installing this hair. Today, this is Nano Twist Pro Max. This hair took forever to finish. So I got a message on YouTube and someone tried to show her how this hair was installed. I was like, okay, we're gonna do that video today. We're gonna show you how this hair was installed. So keep watching. I'm gonna show you guys the particular hair I use for my baby hair. If you watch the video to the end, you're gonna see the very hair I use for my coily baby hair. All right, okay, so you know how we do it, girl. Let's get this part this time. Let's install. We're gonna cut out this extra lace in front. We don't need that at all. We're gonna cut it out, right? We're gonna do that very careful. When we're doing that, very careful so you not cut the baby hair. And just pull the hair in front like this, pull it out of the way, then begin to trim gradually. Careful and come closer, you see what I'm doing. Just don't rush it. Make sure you don't cut your baby hair, right? Like so. Just go ahead and trim this part, right? Yeah. It's not needed. Come, this baby hair is on point, guys. Just watch this video to the end. I'll show you the hair I use for my baby hair. It's not 100% human hair. It's human hair blend. Yeah, human hair blend, but the curls are always popping on point. By the time I got done cutting the lace, it's gonna be looking like this. So I kind of use my powder to do the hairline. You can see how it's looking really nice. We're not seeing it, I'm not even seeing the knots on the baby hair, right? So just use, I kind of use a darker shade for it, for the hairline. You can see that. See what it looks like inside. So with that, it just won't be looking whitish, you know. You can see it's looking really nice. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. So let's install our wig. So let's go. So just gonna pull this a little bit to make it a bit tighter. The end, and let's install this. So in case you don't know, this is a glueless wig. This is 2025. We do glueless wig. We don't use glue on our wig. It's 2025. We have to stop using glue to save our hairline, you know. So let's just install this beauty. See? Oh my god, easy breezy. No stress. Just go ahead and pull it up. Adjust the side. Right? Come here, adjust the side. I thought that it's glueless. We're not putting glue on this wig at all. No glue. This is 2025. We don't use glue. Make sure you adjust very well, right? Like so. And here we go. So we do this to the baby hair. I don't even like to put products on this baby hair at all. So I'll just go ahead and just cut it out a little bit, right?
I'm feeling myself, like the girls in the videos. Self-love is the best love, making me feel so pretty. Don't let them waste your time. Take you for a ride. Try to kill your vibe. Let it go, baby. Love yourself, it's good for your health. Do it for yourself, that's just the way it goes. I'm feeling myself, like a baby on Christmas Day. Yeah. Don't let them waste your time. Take you for a ride.
I'm obsessed with this hair. Like, what manner of beauty is this? Oh my god. Oh my word. Guys, see how you see why you need to subscribe to my channel. I bring out, I give you things back to, like, beautiful with back to back. So you need to subscribe. You need to subscribe so you'll be seeing fine things like this. Like, look at this. You see why I need to subscribe? subscribe to my channel. I will show you all these beautiful wigs. Like look. I don't even know what to say anymore. Just subscribe, okay? Just subscribe. So I'm going to show you. I suppose I'm going to show you what I use for my baby hair. You know, I have to tell you now for my family members. I'm going to show you what I use for my baby hair, right? Okay, hold on. So because I love you guys so much, and I want to say thank you for always subscribing and watching my videos, I'm going to spill the tea. This is the moment of truth. So this is what I use for my baby hair. They come in 20 inches. They even come with mini closure. It's called Girui hair. I don't know what that means. This is what it looks like. This pack you can use this pack the whole of the year for your baby hairs because you don't need so much for baby hair, right? The coils are amazing. Let me bring out one of it. Is the one, this hair is like 35,000, right? So this is what it looks like. See the curls, they are super soft, very soft. I discovered this thing one time when I was looking for what I'm using for my baby hair, and it has this natural color. These curls are always popping when I use it for my baby hair. This is what it looks like. It's 35,000 naira in the market, so that's it.